Morning, friends. Today I am reviewing some snacks I got from Trader Joe's. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a cheap grocery store. It has the same owners as Aldi's, so that's a cheaper option for your groceries instead of the Walmarts or the Wegmans or the big grocery stores. And I always thought Trader Joe's was expensive because it's like organic stuff, vegan stuff, but going in there, everything was pretty cheap, like Aldi's. So that was good. So I'm gonna just review some snacks there, some cheap snacks, their versions. Lord. So I got banana chips, which were only $1.49. It's a pretty big bag, 8 ounce. Dark chocolate covered pretzels, $2.99. And mini peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets, $1.29. So those are very cheap. And they have even less stuff than Aldi, so it's like literally, these are the options for that. Like there's no, there's not like 5 different dark chocolate covered pretzels you can get, or 5 of these. Literally, what you see is what you get. So the price is good. Let me see if the taste is good. We'll start with the mini peanut butter nuggets. I don't even know why I'm doing this video, but I was just so excited to go in there and see that everything was cheap. I was excited. Look how tiny this is. It's good. Extra peanut butter. Real good. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yes, that's what I'll be eating later. Alright. Let's switch over to the banana chips. Can't smell anything. Slightly. Maybe I should refresh myself. Yes, that is a Pocahontas cup from Burger King. Whatever year they came out with that. Okay. Here's like a banana chip. I don't know what I expected, but so far so good. Product of the Philippines. Literally the only ingredients is bananas, coconut oil, sugar, and natural banana flavor. Like, so cool. Don't know why I'm so surprised. But that's good. Sometimes you go to a store and get like an off-brand thing and it won't taste good, so I was wondering if this is one of those things. Lastly, the pretzels. Decent sized bag. So we cut that all the way. This has a little more ingredients, but whoa, these are huge compared to like, what are those called? Flips? The blue bag with pretzels. This is a pretty big and a flat. Like, have you ever seen those bags of pretzels in the salad aisle that are flat that you dip and stuff? Not like a regular pretzel, like a flat kind. Wow, they are really good. I am not disappointed at all. In the Rochester area, I think there's only one Trader Joe's, so it's kind of out the way, but it's a really good deal. $1.29 for the peanut butter thingies. Banana chips, $1.49. Chocolate, $2.99. And I got like a bag of dog breath treats that the boys enjoy for $5.99. So that's pretty good. I'll definitely be shopping there again. So, Trader Joe's. Thumbs up from me.